We are pleased to show you 2021 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, winter package, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.